Good morning, children. Welcome to physics class. This is video number 2 of chapter 3, Force and Pressure. In this video, we will study about moment of force. So, what is moment of force? Moment of force means turning effect. That means the moment of force is a measure of its tendency to cause a body to rotate about a specific point or axis. It is also termed as torque. So, what is moment of force? A measure of force tendency to cause a body to rotate about a specific point or axis. This is different from tendency for a body to move or translate in the direction of force. For better understanding, let us take the example of opening or closing a door. Look at the picture. There are two hinges work at the door by which we can rotate the door. So, when force is applied on an door, the door open and close because of hinges. A door is rigid body which can rotate about a fixed vertical axis passing through the hinges. What makes the door rotate? It is clear that unless a force is applied, the door does not rotate, but any force does not do the job. A force applied to the hinge line cannot produce any rotation at all, whereas a force of given magnitude applied at right angles to the door at its outer edge is most effective in producing rotation. That means a movement is due to force not having an equal and opposite force directly along its line of action. So, moment of force, when force is applied on hinges or door, the door will open. It can turn it, and turning of body about point of rotation. So, is called turning effect or moment of force. So, a moment is due to a force not having an equal and opposite force directly along its line of action. Another very common example that you might have seen at your homes is wrench. So, wrench is a tool used to open or close the nuts. Here it is wrench turning effect produced by force, and it fixed on pivot. When force is applied on the pivot, then body can turn it, and turning of a body about the point of rotation is called turning effect. So, it works on the same principle of moment of force. A force is applied perpendicularly to its one edge, whereas another edge is held in the nut. The center of nut acts as a pivot. The perpendicular force creates a moment or turning effect, and this helps to fasten the nut. So when we apply force on pivot by wrench, we will rotate pivot by wrench. So moment of force here, a measure of force tendency to cause a body to rotate about a specific point. It is a specific point, and we apply turning effect. So the force will cause a turning effect only if the line of action of force acts perpendicular or has some exponent perpendicular to the pivot. When it is perpendicular, then we are able to apply force at a fixed point. When we apply force, then a wrench is used to open or close this nut. So moment of force is a turning effect. When force is applied on a pivot body, it can turn it, and turning of a body about a point of rotation is called turning effect or moment of force. So force acts perpendicular distance from point of rotation. That means force into perpendicular distance from point of rotation.